In this video, we are going to learn about computer system and its functions. First, what is a computer? A computer can be considered as the combination of hardware and software which process data to convert it into meaningful information. Hardware, it is a physical component of a computer system. It includes all the input devices, processing devices, and output devices. Example, keyboard, monitor, printer, and etc. Software is a set of programs which controls the internal operations of a computer and instruct a computer what to do. Example, MS Word, Paint, and etc. Software is two types. 1. System software. 2. Application software. Functions of computer: input, process, storage, output. Input: computer accept data from the user. Process: it process the data according to a given set of instructions. Storage: stores the data according to user's instruction. Output: gives the desired result based on user requirement. CPU full form is Central Processing Unit. It controls all the internal and external device of a computer and perform arithmetic and logical operation. CPU is very small and is referred to as microprocessor. A microprocessor chip contains millions of transistors. Computer speed is calculated by the number of instructions it executes per second, which is measured in megahertz. CPU is divided into three main components. 1. Memory unit. 2. Arithmetic and logical unit. 3. Control unit. Memory unit. The memory unit stores both data and instruction. It is a temporary storage. The memory unit divided into two types, namely they are internal memory and external memory. Every computer has certain amount of memory, usually referred to as the main memory. Advantage is very fast and disadvantage is it is costly and limited. The best example of our internal memory is RAM and ROM. External memory. This is known also auxiliary or secondary memory. External memory is important because the main memory is temporary, expensive and limited storage. Example: pen drive, CD, DVD, and etc.